one of them all like, oh, what's she done now kind of levels of things. Recently, I've fallen down the rabbit hole of Among Us videos. My whole For You page on TikTok is just filled with the videos. My whole recommended on YouTube is just now filled with the videos. I can't escape it, so therefore, if you can't beat them, kill them. Infiltrate their friend group and kill them. So I'm gonna need an outfit. Usually I'm a lot less violent, I swear. If you can't beat them, join them, have fun, let's make an Among Us crewmate outfit. So first, of course, I had to figure out what I was doing. Was I doing the helmet, was I doing the body, or was I doing little crewmate? So of course I decided to first go for little crewmate. Such a cute little So first things first, I got these like foam balls, I don't know what they are, and then I got these little popsicle sticks, and then I stabbed them like I would if I was the imposter and I wanted to win. Then once that's done, you just get some alfoil and build that bad boy up, because I want this to be the chubbiest little cutie that's ever existed. Kind of looks like a burrito.
Now I just gotta duct tape it.
Now what a lot of people don't know is that I'm actually a paper mache magician, which means that I have a specific system that is foolproof. It never fails me. First you want to paper mache it, then you want to duct tape it, then you want to paper tape it, then you want to paper mache it again. So you want to paper mache it first, because if you put tape on first, then you're gonna have everything all sticky and you don't want that. So you paper mache it first, then you put duct tape on top, that way you get some strength and durability, because the paper mache, oh no. She's not gonna be able to do that on its own. Then you want to paper tape over the top of the duct tape, because the paper mache, no, she ain't gonna stick to the duct tape. So if you paper tape over the duct tape, you're gonna have something that sticks to it, and then the paper mache will stick to the paper tape. So that way you won't get durability, two, everything sticks together nice and smoothly, but also everything still kind of looks like paper mache and no one knows that you're cheating. Like, it's not cheating, right?
Body, backpack, visor, then the legs. Now I just gotta hot glue this bad boy for my life and paper mache. We're doing so good. I still don't know how this is gonna work out.
Now originally I wanted to be this beautiful cyan, but all Spotlight had was red! So now I have to be red! I'm so sorry, little dude. If I gotta be red, you gotta be red too. I know, it's red sus, but we don't have another choice because we can't have fluffy freaking ducks on us. Then once little dude is painted with the blood of our enemies, we've just got to hot glue on that visor. Oh, my baby's so cute! Now that we've brought our beautiful child into this world, it's time to go onto the helmet. Find yourself a round balloon that is big enough to fit your head into.
Please fit my head.
And then just blow that bad boy up. And then once again, we are going to be a paper mache magician. And it's going to be the exact same system as little dude. You want to go paper mache, then you want to go duct tape. Then you want to go paper tape again, then you want to go paper mache again. And you keep doing that until she is nice and thick, with like 20 C's, so that you don't break her because you're clumsy JJ. Then you want to stir up that balloon and pop it. That way you can cut out your head hole and your visor. That way you can like see and breathe and also get your head in it. Then once again, duct tape, paper tape it, and paper mache it. That way everything's nice and smooth. And then we're once again gonna paint it red, even though red's really sus. I just wanted to be cyan. Then I just grabbed this random plastic sheet that it turns out I can't see through once it's hot glued to the inside of the helmet. But found that out after I hot glued it on, so it exists like that now. Now that the helmet and little dude are done, I'm still naked for the majority of this costume, so it's time to get my tuition gear and get this jumpsuit going. I'm not gonna lie, this next part is a bit of a fever dream for me. I remember most parts, but also I don't know how this all actually came together. And I made pants that don't look like I pooped myself. When it comes to all of my tutorials, I try and make them as beginner friendly as possible, not only for my own benefit, but for your benefit, because at the end of the day, like, I ain't gonna be making some Gucci stuff. Like, I ain't Gucci, let's be honest. So for this one, to make the pattern, I just got some hoodies and some tracksuit pants that are way too big for me. That way everything was gonna be nice, baggy. I just put them on some butcher paper, trace them out, cut them out. Bob's your uncle. You got a pattern for free. Thanks, Mickey. Then I grabbed out the 5.5 meters of not cyan fabric that I bought just to find out that it's all crinkly, so I had to iron her first before I could lay her down, cut her out, and get all my pieces together. It's kind of like a puzzle, except you make the pieces. And it hurts when you screw it up. Once all your pieces have been cut out, like the imposter when they're cutting out all the other crew members, just pin them and stitch them all together. I don't really know how to give explicit instructions when it comes to this, only because I have no idea what I was doing the whole entire time. I may as well have been trying to do that stupid swipe card thing for the 20th time because it's either too fast or too slow. All I really know is that after I sewed everything together, I put some elastic around the ankles, around the wrists, around my waist, added a buckle, added a zip, and also added a collar. That way everything kind of kept together, but also looked good and nothing fell apart. has many a use, stays on me and stays together. And then for some extra pizzazz, I decided to add a few iron-on patches. So I've got 2 planets, a rocket ship, and an astronaut. And when I say astronaut, I mean astronaut.
And we're done! I'm so freaking proud of myself. I look so cute! I have no idea how I managed to make this so fun, but I look so cute and I'm so happy. And I got cute little things, and I got an astronaut. Oh, you can't see my butt. And I got an astronaut. This is a finished jumpsuit. She looks super cute. I'm probably gonna wear this, in all honesty, as like my little crafting uniform because I feel amazing in this right now. But we need to get the full ensemble together. The only issue is once this is on, can't really see. Thought this is gonna be see-throughable. It's not. Okay. Little dude. That's his lights. Ta-da! This is amazing. I can't see what I look like, but I'm so happy. I have my cute little child. I have my helmet on. I have my gorgeous astronaut suit on with my astronaut. I did so good. Okay, I can't like, I did cut air holes in it, but I live in Australia. And apparently as soon as it hits October, the climate is just like, hey, we're gonna be really, really hot. Brace yourself. We went from winter to like summer in a day. I did it. I did it. Like I knew I was gonna be able to do this, and I knew I was gonna be able to do this because I'm a paper mache magician. But the suit itself, I was really concerned about because I'm notorious for sewing pants to look like a gigantic diaper in which I've just taken a month's worth of poops in. It's never pretty. So me and little dude are gonna try and give you more of a full scope. All right, so I am wearing socks. Woo, nice and baggy, astronaut. Yeah, so this is like, I am so freaking proud of myself. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I did so good. I'm really proud of myself. Like, I'm terrible at playing the game. I'm an amazing crewmate because I make sure I get through all of my tasks. But as soon as I'm imposter, maybe it's because I play on my phone, but as soon as I'm imposter, I just accidentally vent, I accidentally sabotage, I accidentally kill people that I don't want to kill because I don't want to seem sus. But at the same time, John Dillinger always said, never trust a woman in a red dress. And you know what? Never trust a crewmate in a red skin. Let's be honest, because red is the most sus of colors, but Spotlight only had cyan fabric, it had fluffy freaking ducks on it. But either way, please let me know what you think in the comments. On a scale of fake pockets to nachos, my personal thought is that I think I did pretty well. There's a few things that I'd like to fix on it. Like I have a bit of a like bagginess around this little area, but that's all right. It kind of goes with the vibe, kind of works. So on a scale of fake pockets to nachos, personally, I think this is about a Neapolitan ice cream. Now let me explain to you what that means. I really like strawberry and vanilla ice cream. I don't like chocolate ice cream. Something about the chocolate flavoring to me always tastes like dirt. I despise its existence. So if you ever get Neapolitan ice cream around me, you'll end up just getting only the chocolate. So I'll just hollow out the strawberry and the vanilla and then leave you all the chocolate. So the reason why I'm giving it that is because it does have some drawbacks. One, it being red instead of cyan, but also there's a few little sewing adjustments that I could definitely make. Also, I think it'd be a lot better if I could actually see through the helmet. But now that little dude's done, the helmet's done, and the bodysuit is looking stunning, and because I'm a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there's only one thing left to do, and that is a sexy, a slow moves. Yeah, this is how you can tell that I live in Australia, because you may look at me and be like, oh damn, her primer dewy, her foundation dewy. This is sweat. I am sweating so bad. It's like 30 degrees right now. It's still spring. So this is the full thing, little dude and my helmet and my cute little jumpsuit. I'm so proud of this jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is everything I ever wanted. If it was in cyan, I'm still not over it. I'm sorry. I really should be, but like I'm just not. But either way, so that is it for today's video. Please let me know what you think down in the comments on a scale of fake pockets to nachos. Also, I just started a Discord just so that we can have a cute little like online community hangout kind of section, which means we don't have to like wait for me to get my tuition gear for premieres or like talk in the comment section, because sometimes it like comments just get lost. Also, it means that when YouTube decides to like screw up notifications, I can just notify you guys on there that I posted a new video. Thinking ahead, never happens. Savor the moment. Yeah, so if it tickles your fancy, join the Discord. I'll leave the link in the description. But apart from that, I hope that you are having a fantastic day, a fantastic week, a fantastic month, and a fantastic year. And you are being as fantastic as always. Bye, guys. Say bye, little dude.